So after years of backlogs and chaos, South Africa finally has a working digital driver's license. And get this, apparently built in just 3 months by a 4-person team inside the presidency. It's called MyMzansi, no queues, no broken machines, no traffic center nightmares. You simply apply, pay, upload your photo, and boom, a QR-coded license that traffic officers can scan right there on the road. It even shows your test results and outstanding fines. They're testing it now, and if things go to plan, public rollout is happening mid-2026. Yes, a government tech project that might actually be ahead of schedule. Crazy, right? But here's the big question. What happens when Metro Police take your phone and refuse to give it back until you pay a bribe or settle fines on the spot? If your license is only digital, who protects you then? Let's talk. Is South Africa ready for this? Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.